guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install OpenClaw on Linux operating system. So first here, opening this place, the terminal, and let's make a little bit bigger. So here, writing the command. So first, writing the command git minus minus version. Then you can see 2.47% that already installed in my system. Then after, let's check their node version, node minus minus version. So node version 22 that already installed, npm minus minus version. So this all that install. So you should install this first git node and npm. So the next is here on this Google search box, write the OpenClaw, then go on this openclaw.ai site. Then after you can see this that's open there. Now you need to scroll down. There you can get this command. This here Mac Linux. So this command, with the help of this command, you can easily download the OpenClaw. So let's copy this. And the next is this command you need to paste inside or there. So paste. Now thereafter simply you need to press enter. So here you can see this place. You can see Linux detected node that's detected that font and git already installed. So now currently this is installing OpenClaw. Okay. So that here you need to install the git and node. These tools are required. So now currently this is installing the OpenClaw this version. And now you need to wait for few or second times. Now after waiting few second times, here you can see OpenClaw installed successfully. Thereafter the next is here let's open the terminal again on this new window and let's make the size little bigger. The next is here if you try to this place open claw minus minus version. Then or this place you can get the here version of OpenClaw. This is 2026.2.1. And the next is if you write there OpenClaw, then there you can get helping command of OpenClaw. So here you can see this you can get your version help and there you can get agent and you can get this place here or system models and this all. So you can choose this according to your requirement. Okay. So this is how we can install this OpenClaw inside this or Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.